Hi, I'm Tim from the Richer Sounds Custom Installations Department, and today I am here in sunny Basingstoke. Now I'm here for one reason, and that is to talk about a very unique product that our friends at Home Cinema Interiors have just installed in their fantastic living room / cinema room. So come with me, let's have a look. All right, here we are in this fantastic, beautiful, cozy living room. Nice TV, lovely little fire. But what if I told you this is also a full projection-based cinema room? Projectors hidden up in the ceiling there, screens hidden up in the ceiling there. Now, a lot of people, when they think home cinema, they think big speakers everywhere, lots of stuff. There's nothing. In here, we're using the JBL Conceal range speakers. They are plaster over speakers. So at the push of a button, this goes from a fantastic, cozy living room to a full cinema room with no aesthetic compromise whatsoever. Okay, so somewhere around here is a speaker. Let's have a, there it is. There's the actual speaker. That'll be the front left speaker, which means the center speaker is just there, which makes the front right just there. So they are the JBL Conceal C83 speakers. In the ceiling and on the rear walls are the C62 speakers. And then underneath the rear speakers is the C82W in-wall subwoofers.
If you want a completely invisible solution, that's exactly what we've provided here. They're completely plastered over. You can also wallpaper over these speakers. And how they're designed is, we went into partnership with Stealth Acoustics. So they use a Fidelity glass, completely flat panel that you can plaster over and wallpaper over. But what we did is to provide a traditional cone drivered speaker, which provides a much more rounded bass response, which means ultimately you get a really natural sound from a completely invisible speaker. And that's what's in this room.
Should we check out this home cinema? So there we have it, that's the JBL Conceal range. Ideally, we fit them during the build and decoration stage of a project, but they can be retrofitted as well. And these awesome speakers bring a fantastic balance of minimalistic design and great performance. So if it's something that you're interested in, if you want a concealed cinema room that hides out the way, please contact your local store. There'll be a link in the description, or contact us via the custom installations page on the Richer Sounds website. But from me, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.